So, hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amit Patel, and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. If you are new to this channel, then on this channel, I share ideas, insight, tools, and tactics that can take your career from wherever it is in the software industry to an epic level of success. So, if you want to be successful in your career, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let us begin. Raj Vishwas sir, why salary of full stack developer in India is low compared to US, UK, Arab countries? Salary in everything is low compared to other companies because it depends on the economy. Okay, it depends on the economy. So if a person is getting a $75,000 in US, you have to understand that that is an average salary in US. If you compare it with Indian salary, it is very high, but compared to US standards, it is very average salary. Within that, you cannot make your ends meet. Just like Indian engineers are crying that salary is low in India, in the same manner, engineers in US cry that the salary in the fresher salary in US is very low, and that is true. Okay, but if you do some kind of specialization, then your salary will start increasing. See, initially your company does not know you, so companies try to think everybody is at the same level. Okay, so company will give an average salary. Think about this. Companies like Infosys, TCS, Cognizant, Accenture, they hire 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 people in 1 year. Okay, when they hire so many people, they will hire them at an average salary or the salary they have decided for that level of engineer. Okay, and after the person starts working, after 1 year, 2 years, they will identify the best out of this lot who they had hired, these 40, 50,000 people they had hired. Out of that, they will pick the 20% best people who will keep growing within the company, who will get the best salaries, who will get the best promotion, best stock options. Okay, I call them A players, and I'm going to link a video about A players in this description of this video. Once this live stream is over, I'll link that. But salaries are based on economy. So Indian economy compared to other economies is different. Our GDP is different. You look at the GDP of US, you look at the GDP of India, so you will understand why our salaries are low compared to those economies. But you don't have to worry that much. If you get a job here, do it. If you get an opportunity to go abroad and do a job. Okay, you can do some kind of a good certification, which will help you to go abroad easily. Okay, you can join product companies in software, by which you can go abroad easily. So there are a lot of ways if you think about it. But see, look, system is a system. One is, why do you want to fight with the system? Instead of that, you learn the rules of the system and grow within that system. That is the best way. If the system is not there, you don't even have the opportunity. Think about that. I will be linking my program, How to Become A Players. If you are already in a job and if you are thinking of growing in your job, then this How to Become A Players will help you. Next live will be on Thursday at 9:05, and see you in the next live. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone.